Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the comparison we did of the new ChefsTemp X10 versus the Thermapen 1. ChefsTemp reached out to us. They improved their X10 and made it even faster than it was before, which I thought was a fantastic piece. They asked us to do another comparison again against Thermapen 1. So what we want to do today is kind of a similar video that we did before. Try to show you some different ways as we do this to try to see timing on how we do some things. But the difference for ChefsTemp is before their instructions or their documents said 1 to 3 seconds. Now it's a 1 second read in ice water. So as you see, we got ice water here. So we're going to show you the ice water. We're going to show you some meat, possibly show you some boiling water. I'm not sure yet what's going to happen that way, but at least get to show you the ice water because that's really what everybody goes by when it comes to checking out and doing the comparison. So like I said, all the same features. I don't have the packaging anymore for the Thermapen 1, so I didn't bring it for this as well. We'll probably show you a little clip of the one we did before, just to show you the packaging so you know what you'd be getting if you ordered either one of these. We're big fans of ChefsTemp, so I will try not to sway it that way, but this is something I use every day. This sits in the cabinet while I use this one, and actually the older one I still use when I need two of them. So let's get on with the comparison. So Thermapen 1, again, I'm not trying to say this is not, it's a fantastic instant read. It's also a little pricey. I know the holidays, over the holidays, I saw some good pricing, but you open it up, the thing lights up, it does flip all 4 directions. Honestly, when I've used this, I've never really used it on this direction. It is a smaller reading than this one. It's not lit now, but in darkness, this will light up so you can see the numbers better. Again, works perfectly for that. It does, to a 180 and does different readings that way, and it is very fast. The ChefsTemp X10, as we showed you before, you can open it up. The screen is lit pretty much all the way, and this in sun and in darkness is fantastic. You flip it, it goes the other way. One of the real key features one of the things I like the most about this thing is the fact that it does a 180 and goes to a 270 as well. So depending on which glove I have doing something with and which hand I'm using to get a read, I'll sometimes need both. It's convenient for us with shooting different things because depending on where I'm standing, I'll need it actually to do both ways at times as well. This also has a hold button, so that's something I've used like in the oven and over a hot grill where you can't keep your hand there long enough. Make sure you got the reading, touch the hold button, pull it out. It holds the temperature that you last read. So that's a fantastic feature as well. So next thing you do, and again, I guess we'll ship both built real sturdy, both washable. I wash this under soap and water. Again, the one thing you don't want to do on either one is actually be rotating these things when it's wet. But other than that, I wash it, I dry it, I let it sit air dry, and then I put it away that way. So again, do it with both of them. So what we'll do next is show you in the ice water. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to show them one at a time. We're going to attempt to do them a split screen and kind of show them together so you can kind of see the side-by-side comparison. All right, so now I want to show you readings in the meat with the different temperature probes. We'll show the X10, like I said, with a 270, which again is what I really like about this thing. Both read right there around 112. So in conclusion here, you aren't going to go wrong with either one you buy. Like I said, Thermapen makes a great product. Again, with the holidays, they had it similar price, but I know ChefsTemp did have some sales on this, and this normally is $70. This normally is around $100. When it first came out, I think it was like $105, and then I've seen it $100, and now I've seen it certain colors and certain things sometimes be around $70, be the same price as this. But I just love the way this thing lights up, the fact it does a 270, and again, I know, like I said, we're just huge fans of ChefsTemp and the effort they put into these to compare with such a large company like Thermapen. But fantastic product. I know in 2022 it won some awards for innovation on what it can do. Like I said, this is my go-to. Every cook I do, no matter if we're doing something with the channel or I'm just making something at home and I'm verifying temperature. So again, can't go wrong with each, but our pick has always been the ChefsTemp, and we've just been big fan for the last year plus. So hope you like what you're seeing. We'll see you later.